Amazon is now forcing you to enroll in FBA donations no matter what. And there is some pros and some cons. Now we can look right here. Enrollment changes for FBA liquidations and donations will update the enrollment process, which allows you to potentially receive and recover eligible inventory, right? I think Amazon's getting something out of this. We're kind of like looking into this. There's no changes, and we're kind of looking into it. And we want to see what is going to be on, which allows you for eligible will become mandatory. So here it is. They're trying to like sugarcoat it, but the FBA donations programs, which allows your eligible products to be donated instead of recycled, is now mandatory. As of September 30th, 2025, you won't be able to opt out. If you've previously opted out, you'll be re-enrolled. So any inventory that you want to get rid of, Amazon can donate it instead of throw it out, right? So you're going to be giving away your product, your intellectual property, potentially. And this is the biggest thing. We're going to look at the right side right here on the FBA donation side. And it says eligible products are donated instead of recycled. Mandatory. Previously, you could opt out, and now you can't. Adjust inventory strategy before the deadline. So I guess you're going to have to send the inventory back to you instead of having Amazon destroy it, because now they're not going to destroy it. They might just get a little donation write-off, and potentially you'll get a donation write-off as well. So it can be a win-win, and you may be helping people because Amazon is looking to try to help people at the end of the day. But it just seems a little weird that they're forcing you. Now, the FBA liquidations, this is a default option. So this used to not be a default. This one's not mandatory, but they're like kind of forcing it, right? It's like one of those things where you have to like go through all the settings just to turn it off. But they're like, it's not mandatory that we're like tracking you, but you can turn it off. You know, unsold inventory automatically enrolled is now going to get liquidated, and you'll get some money back. But if you liquidate your inventory, you don't get it back. You just get some money. Sometimes you actually lose money. So it's interesting what Amazon's doing. Like, you know, and we're going to look at what the FBA donations program is, because I was like, who's getting the donations, right? Who does Amazon pick? Does Amazon have their own donation? But pretty much when you request disposal of eligible, overstock, returned, or unwanted FBA inventory, Amazon makes it available to special charities that they choose of. They've got eligible products and products that aren't eligible, right? So products that aren't eligible are counterfeit products, obviously, and products that are hazardous. U.S. program partner. So they're partnering with Good 360, and Good 360, they're the ones who decide where all the product goes. Who knows where that goes? I'd have to do some more research, but at least they're giving us some type of reference that we can use. And then kind of just diving into the actual donations program. So again, any extra inventory that you don't want, Amazon now is going to force you to donate it, right? So it's going to be automatically donated, and then it's going to be up to that one charity to pick the eligible donation. If it's not eligible, then it looks like they will dispose it, but they might also liquidate it. So we'll have to see what they decide to do if it's not eligible. Eligible versus ineligible products. Obviously, we talked about dangerous goods and things like that. Enrollment partners, you're pretty much, you can't unenroll now, so you're stuck. And then you will get donation certificates annual available by February 1st via nonprofit partners. So there is some potential to make some money back. Now, what about the liquidations? So if you're liquidating your inventory, that's going to people who are probably going to be reselling your product. And Amazon's saying, contact us at bulk-liquidations.beta. I don't know if you even knew about this. You can contact Amazon. It looks like they're looking for people to liquidate products to. There's these returns. I didn't know about this. These are where the pallets are coming from. I don't buy pet products. It's a little expensive. It's damaged pet products for almost 4 Gs, but it's kind of like just, I don't know who's making these listings, but I don't know if it's worth 4,000. It's just interesting. Oh, here we go. Oh, we've got some of the items right here. We got the this is even for pets. I don't know where they're getting this stuff. This is hilarious. Okay, so they're selling this. They're selling 53 of these for $5 instead of $29.99. They're selling one of these Hydra things for $100. See, it's a little overpriced. Let's do it. I don't even know what the heck that is, but it's selling for $700. I mean, it's like they're trying to ensure you make it come up. But look at these brand names. Some of these brand names, you can tell it's like super fake and sketchy. But yeah, you can buy it right now join the wait list, but you got to email them first. You can join, and then you can start doing, starting a whole liquidation business. And yeah, you see, look at the logistics of those. I mean, if you get it from Amazon and they give you an official invoice and it's from Amazon, does that mean you can't get in trouble for like if you wanted to resell it as used on Amazon? That you probably can't do that. But if it's from Amazon, it's interesting to see. And Amazon on AMZ FBA Liquidations, right? And it's a concise guide for sellers to monetize excess and return inventory without disposal. So instead of Amazon throwing it out on default, now Amazon's going to just sell it to other people who are then going to sell it again. So you're selling, again, potentially your intellectual property. I don't know how much of a win this stuff is if you're looking at it, but, it's a double-edged sword. That's pretty much it. You're forced to do donations. You're going to help people, fingers crossed. And on default, your excess inventory is going to be liquidated. So change your settings, dive into your settings now, your FBA settings, and see if that's what you want to do. If not, turn it off. But we are EHP Consulting Group. We're Amazon experts. We're here to help you stay up to date, increase your sales. And if you do need any help regarding Amazon, the link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Just click the button below. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.